Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal alternative for non-profit and donations. So here's the breakdown. If you are running a non-profit or collecting donations and you want a smoother, lower free option than PayPal, here are some great alternatives to consider. So one of the alternatives is Stripe. Stripe payment and Stripe donation tools let you embed donation spotting, customize forms and accept cards or digital wallet. It's low fee, developer friendly, integrate with most website or fundraising page. Another one is DonorBox. DonorBox built specifically for non-profit, and DonorBox also offer recurring donation support, customizable forms and simple embedding on your website. It works with Stripe as PayPal, and also it works as a gateway, but gives better donor UX and management tools. Another one is GoFundMe charity or GoFundMe payment button. If you want an easy shareable donation page with a broad audience reach, GoFundMe platform makes it simple for donor to give with debit, credit card or bank transfer, no heavy setup required. Another one is Give WP, which is Give WordPress plugin. This is great for non-profit with a WordPress site. It lets you build donation forms with simple gateway, and also recurring gifts and donor receipt. Another one is Donatly. This is a clean, modern fundraising page, recurring gift and team fundraising, plus integration with Stripe for easy payment. Another one is Classy. It's a premium platform for large non-for-profit advanced fundraising, analytics, team campaign, and it also integrates with donor management. So for non-profit, the key is lower fee plus donor-friendly checkout plus recurring gift and easy reporting. So pick tools that match your audience and donation goal. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more non-profit money tips, and comment which platform you want to review next. And that's how it works.